Do you know if your financial decisions today are silently shaping your business's future access to capital? More specifically, have you ever wondered, does Fundbox report to business credit bureaus? And if so, how does that impact my company's creditworthiness? This isn't just a hypothetical question. It's a crucial consideration for any small business owner navigating the complex world of financing. Your business credit score is a vital asset, often as important as your personal credit, determining everything from loan approvals and interest rates to supplier terms and even insurance premiums. Let's break down exactly what that means for you. Fundbox reports to the Small Business Financial Exchange, or SBFE, which then shares that data with all three major business credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. This is a significant point, because it means your repayment behavior with Fundbox directly contributes to the information compiled by the very entities that lenders, suppliers, and other businesses consult when assessing your company's financial reliability. Think of it this way. Every time you draw on your Fundbox line of credit and make timely repayments, you're essentially building a positive track record. This consistent, responsible financial behavior is what beefs up your business credit score. Conversely, missed payments or defaults can have a detrimental effect, just as they would with any other credit obligation. Now, why is this important? A strong business credit profile opens doors. It can mean easier access to larger lines of credit or loans. Lenders are more willing to extend capital to businesses with a proven history of responsible borrowing and repayment. More favorable terms and lower interest rates. A good credit score signals lower risk, which translates into better deals on financing. Improved relationships with suppliers and vendors. Many suppliers check business credit before extending trade credit, which allows you to purchase goods or services on account and pay later. A strong credit score can lead to higher credit limits and longer payment terms, significantly improving your cash flow. Lower insurance premiums. Some insurance providers consider business credit scores when determining rates. Enhanced credibility and reputation. A robust business credit profile instills confidence in partners, investors, and even potential customers. So, the fact that Fundbox actively reports to business credit bureaus isn't just a piece of trivia. It's a powerful tool that you can and should strategically utilize. Let's delve deeper into how this reporting actually works and what you can do to ensure it benefits your business. Fundbox reports both on-time and missed payment information to the SBFE monthly. This consistent reporting means that your payment habits are regularly updated across the major credit bureaus. For those looking to establish or improve their business credit, Fundbox can serve as a valuable stepping stone. Many traditional lenders require a lengthy credit history and higher revenue thresholds. Fundbox, with its focus on cash flow analysis and faster approvals, can be more accessible to newer businesses or those with less extensive credit histories. By responsibly managing your Fundbox line of credit, you can effectively build a positive payment history that might otherwise take years to cultivate through traditional channels. Consider a scenario. You're a small business owner with a great product or service, but your limited operational history means securing significant traditional financing is a challenge. You apply for and are approved for a Fundbox line of credit. You use it to cover a short-term inventory need, ensuring you can fulfill customer orders. Crucially, you make your repayments on time, every time. This consistent, positive behavior is then reported by Fundbox to the SBFE and subsequently to Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. Over several months, this builds a solid foundation for your business's credit profile. When you later approach a traditional bank for a larger loan to expand your operations, they'll see a record of responsible credit management, significantly increasing your chances of approval and securing better terms. It's important to understand that while Fundbox does report, the specifics of how each credit bureau interprets and weighs this data can vary. Each bureau has its own proprietary scoring model. However, the underlying principle remains the same. Positive payment behavior consistently reported across the board is good for your score. To maximize the benefit of Fundbox's credit reporting, here are some actionable strategies. Prioritize timely repayments. Understand your repayment schedule. Use your line of credit strategically. Monitor your business credit reports. Maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Diversify your credit relationships. What about the soft pull versus hard pull distinction? When you initially apply for Fundbox, they typically perform a soft credit check, which does not impact your credit score. However, once you are approved and make your first draw on a line of credit, Fundbox will conduct a hard credit pull. A hard pull can cause a slight, temporary dip in your personal credit score. This is standard practice for many lenders when extending new credit. However, the subsequent positive reporting of your business's repayment behavior will, over time, far outweigh this initial minor impact. Furthermore, the reporting to business credit bureaus is distinct from your personal credit, although some personal guarantees may be involved in initial applications. The beauty of a service like Fundbox, beyond its direct utility for cash flow, lies in its ability to contribute to your business's financial infrastructure. In today's competitive landscape, having a strong business credit score is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's a reflection of your company's financial health and its ability to meet obligations. Without a solid credit foundation, securing future funding for expansion, weathering unexpected challenges, or even attracting strategic partnerships can become significantly more difficult. In summary, Fundbox unequivocally reports to the major business credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet via the SBFE. This is excellent news for businesses seeking to build or improve their credit profile. By using your Fundbox line of credit responsibly and making timely payments, you can leverage this reporting to establish a strong financial track record, unlock better financing opportunities, and enhance your business's overall credibility. It's about being intentional with your financial decisions and understanding how each step, including your interactions with alternative lenders, contributes to the bigger picture of your business's financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.